Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use coupons on Temu. Firstly, open the Temu app or visit the Temu website. Browse through the categories and select your favorite products. Click Add to Cart for each item you wish to purchase. Once you've finished shopping, click on the cart icon, usually at the top right corner. Review your order summary to ensure everything you want is included. Now look for the field labeled promo code or coupon under the order summary. Copy and paste your Temu coupon code in the box. Avoid typing manually to prevent mistakes. Then click Apply. If successful, your discount will appear immediately in the total amount. Just log into your Temu account and confirm that the discount has been correctly applied. Proceed to payment and complete your purchase. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.